is an earpiece setup with your live stream viewers, so that way.
Oh my gosh. Alright, let's try. We are set up and ready to drop our first step in the back. This one is from the front walkway. That's a leftover, so that's there. These are all the new ones. We kind of got them all set up for how we're going to be building it. And the idea behind this is we're going to be using the longest ones on the bottom and slowly transitioning our way to the shortest width steps at the top. So that's kind of how we staged it up. That one on the bottom is one of the shortest ones. That'll be on the top. That one over there is the top one. That's the shortest, so that's over there. This is our bottom one. That's our second one. That's going to go on top of this one. This one will be our third one. Fourth. It really pays off to stage out the job properly so that you're all nice and in order. Clamp works great, but these steps in general are pretty irregular, so it's not like a nice squared off or rectangled off step that the clamp grabs nice and easy. Each side has a different texture and angle, so you got to finesse the clamp a little bit. This one is actually a step, it's the same one as that one, because these steps come in a 6-pack bundle, and they're all 6 of them are different shapes. But if you end up getting 2 packs, you're gonna have doubles of one step, like this one and that one, like I said, are the same step, and they both are next to impossible to pick up with that clamp right there. So we just hooked up our straps, toe straps, and we made it work, and we'll be setting that one down on boards and then lifting the side up, pulling the straps out, and then setting it. Ben, nice job on that tripod setup over there.
It worked out.
Now all you need to do is find us another shovel to use.
Right there.
Wow.
Come on. You get
Nice.
3 eyes.
You got 3. I am a cyclops right now,
What
right?
you need, dude, is an earpiece setup with your live stream viewers.
Was that going to be our first live stream, dude? The first live stream is on my head.
Yep, and you got a mic set up with
Wow. Any of you guys watching right now, put in the comment section below if that's how you want the first live to be, just on the job site, working. That would probably be a pretty cool live though, wouldn't it?
It would definitely be, especially if we're doing some like veneer.
People are gonna be watching like, wow, you guys really don't work that hard, huh? No, we just work good. Yeah, hey, you live had a 20-minute break in it, it was 9:45.
Smoking.
All right, here we are, we're ready. You ready? All right. Oh, music copyrights. Lady Gaga's over here in the background screaming at me. How you doing? Oh, that's not for me. Yeah, he's not here. No, that side's too light. It's heavy on the right. Your left.
Oh, yeah.
But how's the grab on the back? Pretty sketchy?
Pretty sketchy.
Alright.
I mean,
Yeah, it's got to go to your left then, my right. Your side. Oops. We'll pick it up and flip it. For some odd reason. So that's flat over here, and that's horrible over there, right?
yeah. I think what ends up happening is
Oh, this thing's wicked loose, bro. No wonder why.
Oh yeah, look at that. No, I think it was because it was set up on the other way. Back.
Needs to go to your right a little bit. Yeah.
About as much as I can.
All right, let's try that. Watch your toes, bud. Watch your toes. Am I gonna clear that? So these steps are made by Nicolock, Nicolock paving stones, and they're called Irregular Steps. They come in a few different color tones. These ones are called Bluestone is the color tone, and they come in a 6-pack bundle, and it's 6 totally different shapes and sizes. And if you need more than 6, unfortunately they only sell them in the bundle, so you have to buy 6 minimum. We bought 2 bundles for the front staircase, and we had 2 left over as I was explaining, and then I bought another bundle for this back project, which will be giving us 8 steps total. And 2 of the steps will obviously be a repeat size and shape, but when you mix them in pretty well, you can never tell. So these are just a really good a good step solution for an area like this, and for something to just look unique. I kind of get tired of seeing the same old granite steps or concrete steps, and having these natural stone look-alike poured concrete slabs are very fun to work with, and it came out pretty good in my opinion. So you're going to see as we build these stairs and set them in that we're going to be backfilling each one and compacting it in a few lifts. And we're also using our open grade 3/4 inch crushed stone base for beneath and behind the steps, and it's just going to allow all the water to drain that could possibly get behind it or under it. No, it's going to be too much like that.
Come back more?
You need to go to your right a little bit. A little bit more. Right there. Whoa, Nelly. Take it off. Alright, we're done for the day. We got 3 steps in. Yeah, definitely cool looking. We got the front project wrapped up, which is really cool. That's been that was the first big install of 2022. So there it is, Benny. What do you think? What do you think?
Oh, what?
Your walkway.
It's a smash hit.
It's a smash hit. I think I got a Red Bull. I do got a Red Bull. Good morning. Back to the back. And he's standing on the top step. That's the thumbnail.
Top step for now.
For now. We got 3 steps in, 5 more to go today. And then we gotta make a little paver landing down here. So we still got some work to do, Benny. It's gonna be a busy day, so we're gonna jump right in.
Peace.
Way to stand in front of the camera! Yep. A little back to your left. Other way. Up. Like that? I fucking love it. You jacked.
Jacked up.
It's 5 steps in, bud. 3 more. We're almost done. It's looking good, bud. It's looking really good. Staircase is done. Looks nice. So this is going to be a planting bed over here. And over here I got a little piece of fabric so that we can backfill this with loam. And I believe he's going to be having the grass come right to it. I'm pretty sure that's the plan. So let's check it out from up here. Looks good. Nice smooth steps. So that's the next move. I'm going to be grading this hill out right here with the topsoil that's there and the pile that we've got over there. That's it. That's all I got. That's all I got. Styling over here. Finished up the grading off camera. That's all set. Looks pretty nice. Now we're on to the landing. I hope you all enjoyed this video and this awesome transformation of this backyard area. You can see the trampled down path where they were walking up and down, and now is the end result, and the steps came out beautiful. So be sure to watch the next video that comes out on my channel on how we did the bottom paver landing to wrap this job up completely. But like I said, I hope you enjoyed this video, found it entertaining or helpful if you're trying to build the staircase on your own. I hope this somewhat helped you and you can apply it to pretty much any kind of stairs. But you guys know the deal. Until the next video, God bless. Peace.